How you doing, guys? I'm looking for a reversal in the Dollar CAD. It's at the end of a certain type of trade pattern that I see at the end of trends in particular. And so I want to take advantage of a kickback rally, a long side trade after we've had a big sell-off in the Dollar CAD. So let's dive into the video and I'll show you exactly what I'm looking for. And you can see that I've labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Just got to bring that slightly down here. And this is a 5. Now, the reason this could be a wave 5, as in a 5 waves down, when you get to the 5th wave, guys, of this trend, okay? So you see 5 waves down. Now, the key really is down here. This 2-wave divergence, where the yellow lines are kicked in here, is very steep. This is a pretty steep angled yellow line, which means that the momentum down is slowing and we could get a move back into these areas up here where we started wave 4 down. Okay, so I'm targeting this wave 4 and that comes in around 139.82. So I'm 139.82. So this area here is 138.18. Where we're trading now. I've just started to build a position. So I've gone first lot size here, or position size here, spread betting size here. Next one's going to be a break above this area here. Now, if we break above there, that's then going to make a very small higher high here. Okay, so that's going to take out this recent high. Stop placement is going to be underneath this area here. Now, the psychology around this is that small position size to start with, and then as it goes in my favor, once this starts turning green positive here, then I'm going to move my stop to break even once it gets above this area here. And then my second position is going to be open. And then what I'm going to do then is go down to the smaller time frame on the 5-minute chart. And then I'm going to wait for green buy signals, okay? And I will use stops on my 5-minute time frame, but I will go for the profit target on the 4-hour time frame. All right, so just going for the big target, trying to build a position. So if I get into this trade and add to the position, then I have a decent position size, and then it gets to that profit target, and that will be a decent trade. Risk on it, of course, is going to be used on the 5-minute time frame when I get those color changes. And really, what I'm looking for is a move over the next couple of days. So this is going to last, I would imagine, I would say 2 to 4 days, guys, really. If this one starts to lose money and breaks below this candlestick low here, then I will reassess. But continue to watch it because I think it's got every chance to push back up. I think we're in a position here where we could see a move back on. Pretty slow at the moment, but I'll be watching this. I've got my order in and we'll take it from there. Hope it helps, guys. That's my chart analysis on the Dollar CAD and what I'm exactly looking to do.